Embarking on a journey to start an HVAC business combines technical proficiency with entrepreneurial vision. This video offers a detailed roadmap for establishing and nurturing a prosperous HVAC business. Introduction: the HVAC business opportunity. Step into the rewarding world of HVAC, where being your own boss requires not just expertise in heating, ventilation, and air conditioning, but also strategic business and marketing acumen. The HVAC industry presents vast potential, driven by increasing demand for energy-efficient and technologically advanced systems. Deep dive into the HVAC industry. Gain an in-depth understanding of the HVAC landscape, a sector predicted to see substantial growth. Familiarize yourself with critical certifications, including NATE, and learn about various system types like split, ductless, hybrid, and packaged units. Embrace innovative tools like Upper Route Planner to efficiently manage your services and stay ahead in the competitive market. Comprehensive market research and strategic planning. Conduct extensive market research to grasp current trends, customer preferences, and the competitive environment. Your business plan, a critical roadmap, should encompass detailed service offerings, target demographics, strategic approach, organizational structure, financial projections, and budgeting. This plan will serve as your blueprint for success. Acquiring essential training and certification. Secure the necessary training and industry-recognized certifications. State-specific HVAC licenses and nationally recognized certifications like NATE are often prerequisites. These credentials not only enhance your skills, but also boost your business's credibility. Registering and structuring your business. Navigate the process of business registration, adhering to local regulations. Consider the benefits of incorporating your business, such as limited liability tax advantages and increased trustworthiness among clients and partners. Securing licenses, permits, and calculating initial investment. Obtain all required licenses and permits, an essential step for legal and professional credibility. Precisely calculate your startup costs, considering equipment, office space, utilities, insurance, and other operational expenses. A meticulous financial plan is crucial for a smooth launch. Investing in equipment, vehicles, and building a team. Invest strategically in high-quality equipment and dependable vehicles for job site efficiency. Hiring competent and skilled employees is vital. Explore diverse recruitment channels, including online job portals, trade school partnerships, and industry networking events. Offering competitive wages and benefits will attract top talent. Crafting a comprehensive marketing strategy. Develop an all-encompassing marketing strategy. Utilize digital marketing tools, create an engaging website, establish a strong presence on Google My Business, and leverage the power of social media. Emphasize local targeting and employ customer education tactics to stand out. Successful launch and sustainable growth. Launch your business with a well-defined plan and robust marketing efforts. Avoid common pitfalls such as underestimating operational costs or overlooking customer feedback. Regularly update your business strategies in line with industry trends to maintain competitiveness and growth. Ongoing adaptation and expansion. Post-launch, focus on continuous learning and adaptation to evolving market demands and technological advancements. Explore expansion opportunities and diversify your services to cater to a broader customer base. Building a profitable HVAC enterprise. With a thorough approach to planning, training, marketing, and execution, your HVAC business is poised for success. The key to a thriving business lies in continual adaptation, customer focus, and staying abreast of industry developments. Wondering how to start an HVAC business in California is a common and understandable concern among aspiring business owners. Incorporation Attorney has been helping entrepreneurs in different industries in forming corporations. With proper guidance and careful planning, you'll get your HVAC business running smoothly, guaranteeing that your business operates in full compliance.